Hi everyone, this is Zain from I am in SPINOFFS net. In this session, we will learn how to find missing number in an array. Actually, on the screen you can see I have created one array, and this array have the sequential element 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 4 is missing. So in this session, we will find the missing number from the array. So without time waste, let's get start. So I am using the Visual Studio. First thing, I need to be the create array is equal to and element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one more variable miss number is equal to 0. Okay, now I am gonna to create the follow and I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length minus 1. Okay, and I plus plus. Now inside the for loop we need to check the condition if array of I not equal array of I minus 1. Okay, I plus 1, sorry, I plus 1 means next index and minus 1 from the next index value, then miss number is equal to array I plus 1. Yes, and this miss number we need to be the print. The missing number is equal to, okay, first run the program and check the result. Yes, see, the missing number is 4. The output is correct. If I missed, this is for here, and I missed the remove 2, then run, save and check the output. Now missing number is 2. So output should be 2. Yeah, see, the output is 2. The program is correct, but 2 is missing. One more thing, if I write 8, 11, when now is the 2 is missing, 7 is missing, 9 and 10 missing. Okay, this we can see the 10. 2 is missing, 7 missing and 9 missing. So save and run. 3 number is missing from the array, but the output showing only 1 missing number. If you want to print the all missing number, then only you need to print this thing inside the loop here. Okay, save and run. See, the missing number is 279. Okay, 3 missing number in the array. How this program is working? Actually, in the array, you know, the indexing is start 0 to nth, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so when index 0, when I is equal to 0, this means in index 0 value is 1. So this is the one array of array of 0 means 1, and 1 and 1, 2, index of 0 plus 1 means index 1. Index 1 means 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Here is the 1, here is the 2. So both are not equal. This means 2 is the missing number. So compiler will come inside the if condition and assign the 2 value in the missing number. When index value of 1 is 3, when I is equal to 1, then value is array of 1 means 3. So here 1 plus 1 is equal to index 2. Index 2 means 4. Then 4 minus 1, 3, both are equal. 3, 3, both are equal. Then compiler will come outside the if condition, because equal the condition false. And same is the 4, same as the 5, 6. But when come in the 6, the index value of the 4, when I is equal to 4, then index array of 4 is equal to 6, and here index of 4 plus 1, 5. Index of 5 value is 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 and 6 not equal. So 7 is the missing number. So compiler come inside the if condition and assign value 7 into the miss number. So guys, the output will be 2, 7, 9 will be print. So guys, thank you for watching this video.